In this video, I'm going to show you how to add background color to table rows or table columns. First, I will show you how you can select column or how you can select a row in table in Word. So, if you would like to select some particular column, you have to hover above that column which you would like to select and click. As you see, if I hover here, I click, I select all that column. Or for example, this fourth one, if I hover over it, click, and it also gets selected. And the same applies if you want to select rows. Hover on the side of the table, on the left hand side of the table, and you click and you are able to select that particular row. Similar way as you can see here, or the last one. If I click outside the table, to the left of that row, it will select it. And now if you would like to add some background color to columns or to some particular row, all you need to do is click here on the very top at the table design, and here you will see this tab shading. Click into this shading, and once the table row or table column is selected, you can hover over any color which you would like to add to that particular row or to particular column. For example, I will select this light blue, and here I will select some column, and I will go again into shading, and I will add light green to this particular column. And this is how you can add the background color to table rows and table columns in Word.